Good morning class 3rd students. Today we will start vocabulary section of our book. In this we start chapter number 1, alphabetical order and the dictionary, which is on page number 87. Chapter number 1, alphabetical order and the dictionary. Let's start. Let us read the English alphabet. Here some letters of English alphabets are written here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So students, do you know how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are total 26 letters in English alphabets. The order of letters in the English alphabet is called the alphabetical order. We arrange these letters in a particular order which is known as alphabetical order. When we have words and we want to arrange them in the alphabetical order, we look at the first letter of the words. Suppose we have 2, 3 or 4 words. Now if we want to arrange these words in alphabetical order, then we will observe the first letter of each word. For example, cap, palace, handkerchief, mug, bag. There are 5 words written here. Now we will observe the first letter of each word. So in this word the first letter is C, in this the first letter is P, and in this word the first letter is H, and in this the first alphabet is M, and in this the first letter alphabet is B. Now the alphabetical order of the first letters of these words will be B, C, H, M, P. So according to alphabetical order, the first alphabet that comes will be B, as according to A, B, C. So B comes after A. Here, as we don't have any letter that starts with A, we have B. So B is the first alphabet or the word that comes at first position. So this one is the first one. Now after B, that is C. So C will come at second position. Now after C, we have D, E, F, G, H. According to that, we have H at the third place. So this word will come at third place. And after that, at fourth number, we have M. So it will come at fourth place. And after that, the last one is P. That comes after M, N, O. And after that, P comes. So it will come after mug. So it will come at fifth position. Now, the alphabetical order of the first letters of these words will be B, C, H, M, P. So, B, first one. Second one is C. Third one is H. And fourth one is M. And fifth one is P. So, once arranged alphabetically, the words will occur in the following order. Now, we arrange the alphabets. Now, we will arrange the words according to this order. Bag, cap, handkerchief, mug, palace. So in this way we can arrange words in alphabetical order. Now let us see what we must do when two words begin with the same letter. Suppose we have two words that begins with the same letter, then what we will do? For example, fur, fox. Here fur and fox, both the words starting with the same letter, that is F and F. When two or more words begin with the same letter, in order to arrange them alphabetically, you must look at the next letter in the word. So, in this case, we will not observe the first letter. We observe the second letter of each word. In case of fur and fox, you should look at the U of fur and the O of fox. Since O occurs before U in the alphabetical order, we will place fox before fur. Now, in fox and fur, O is the second letter of fox, and in fur the second letter is U. So in alphabetical order, O comes before U. So we will write fox before fur. So this is the alphabetical order if we have two words begin with the same letter. Similarly, we will have these words in the following order: cage, caught, cut. Here these three words are starting with the same letter, that is C, C and C. And here now we will observe the second letter. The second letter is A, O, U. So in alphabetical order, A comes before O and O comes before U. So we arrange in this way alphabetical order. Second example, bat, book, butterfly. As we have same letter in all the words, we will observe the second letter A, O, U. So A occurs before O and O occurs before U. So this is the alphabetical order of this word. In the same way, cat, cattle and cake. Now let us read about the dictionary. Now we will read about what is dictionary. A dictionary is a book that has the meanings of most words. When you don't know that a word means, you must look it up in a dictionary. Dictionary is the book that has meanings of so many words. The words that you don't know what they mean. So you can look up in the dictionary what the meaning of that particular word. You can take the help of a dictionary book. And in dictionary book, all the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So you must remember to look up a word by keeping in mind this alphabetical order. It will help you in identifying the word in the dictionary. Read this chapter once again. Thank you.